I've said many times before that in some communities, if it rains, you sleep in mud. And this is a prime example of the community. This is Hello! 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 Now, if I was a big superstar, I'd have a crew and somebody doing my videos. But I'm just a one-man show at Joey's Food Fight. We're gonna feed about 100 kids here in the middle of a sugarcane community. Rains, their floor is mud. This is crazy. Okay, go like this. How about a muffin? A piece of bread and a muffin?
Yes.
And then a piece of bread too, right? And a piece of bread right here.